Students, here in the series of the numericals which we are doing here, we are having another question which is based on the velocity time graph. Here the question is, in the given velocity time graph, distance traveled by the body. Now if we go through the velocity time graph, we can have two values that we can calculate with the velocity time graph. One is the acceleration which we know very well, the time rate of change of velocity, and another one is distance. So how we can calculate the distance? If we take the area under the graph, that will give the velocity. Under the area in velocity time graph, this will give you the distance. So here the question which is based on this, in the given velocity time graph, distance traveled by the body in given graph. Now here the velocity which is given to us on the x-axis, y-axis, it is time t. So if we go through this question, so what we are having, the area under this. So here if we go through this area, it is a trapezium. So we can have area of this trapezium means 20 plus 10 upon 2 into the duration is this 2 plus this area which is a rectangle one. So here we are having the length is 10, this and this is 1 in seconds. Now next, go through this, we will be having a triangular shape. So in triangular shape, here we are having this side is of 10 and this is of 1, and area of the triangle which is 1 upon 2 base into height. So we have taken this plus next which is in this direction. Here the value of t time. Now this velocity time graph which is going in the negative direction, but while calculating the distance we need to take it positive into 1 divided by this 2. So if we go through this will give the total distance traveled in this duration. So it is 30, 2 to 2 cancel, plus this is 10, this is 5 and this is again 5. So here it is 30 plus 10 plus 10 means 50 meter. So 50 meter, this answer, the correct answer is C, 50 meter. So while going through this graph, here we are finding that it is going in the negative one for velocity. So if we go for the displacement, then we will be having a different value. But the question is has been asked to us about distance. Okay. So the final answer which we are having, it is 50 meter. This way we can do the question which is based on the velocity time graph.